This message is for the betrayer. You made the biggest mistake of your life. You hurt the person you loved the most. You shattered the heart and the trust of the person that you love the most and who loves you the most. And you have an opportunity to make it right. When you're stuck in your shame, you're not helping yourself, you're not helping anybody. And shame is one of the most debilitating emotions we have. You can heal yourself and become someone you're proud of. And if you do the work, hopefully rebuild with the person that you really, that you absolutely devastated the heart and the trust of. So, we have the Rebuild Roadmap, which is all of my certified PBT coaches collaborated and gave their best experiential activities for the betrayer to work with on their own. But we also feature this in our Rebuild community. Yes, we have all kinds of programs for the betrayed, but we have a program for the betrayer. And it's interesting because at first I was like, should I really have a program for the betrayer? Do they want to change? Do they want to do something like this? And it's been so incredible to see so many of them really diving in and doing the work. And I give them the playbook, what to say, what to do, what to not say, what to not do. There's no shaming or blaming, but I do not allow for any excuses, anything. They are ready to rebuild right. So if you're the betrayer, stop hiding and staying in your shame. Stop making excuses. Stop betraying. You have an opportunity to do something so differently, and we're here to help. If you're the betrayed and the betrayer is still in your life and you're sort of looking for a different way to do things, we can help you too. We have a reclaim program for the betrayed, our rebuild program for the betrayer. It's been incredible to watch so many couples go through both of those programs and come out as the 2.0 version of themselves. And that's when they have that 2.0 relationship, not when they each sort of just kind of compromise something in order just to make it work. That doesn't work. When there's a complete and total crash and burn of the old, you can rebuild something entirely new. Does it take a lot of work? Yes, but we're here to help you every step of the way. So our Rebuild Roadmap, experiential activities from all of our certified coaches and practitioners who work within the PBT Institute. Our Rebuild program, not only are we working on those things with you, you're working with me, and I am with you in a group setting, and I am answering all of your questions, and I am literally giving you the playbook. So if it's time, if you feel it's ready to really make that change, and I hope you decide to, because it doesn't feel good doing what you've been doing and running from yourself and all the hurt you've caused. Let us help you rebuild right. I hope that helps.